In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate days until a due date in Google Sheets. Stop guessing how much time you have left. In 60 seconds, I'll show you a simple formula that tells you exactly how many days are left until any deadline. First, organize your sheet so that all your due dates live in a single column, one date per cell. Make sure they're real dates that Google Sheets recognizes, not text typed like a date. If a date is left aligned or looks strange after calculations, apply a date format so Sheets treats it correctly. Now, pick the cell where you want to see the countdown. Click that cell and type the equal sign. Next, click the cell that contains your due date to reference it, then type a minus sign, followed by today with parentheses, like today. Press Enter. Instantly, you'll see the exact number of days between the due date and today. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The Today function returns today's calendar date based on your spreadsheet's time zone without any time of day attached. When you subtract today from a valid date, Google Sheets gives you a plain number representing whole days. Positive numbers mean you still have that many days left. 0 means it's due today. A negative number means the deadline has already passed. The best part is that you never have to update it yourself. This value refreshes automatically every morning, so your countdown stays accurate as time passes. If you're tracking multiple projects, use the fill handle to copy the formula down the entire column, and you'll get a live countdown for each due date in your list. If your result looks like a date instead of a number, change the cell's format to number so you can read the countdown clearly. And if your countdown seems off by a day because of location, check your spreadsheet settings to confirm the correct time zone. For example, if your due date is in cell C2, your formula would read EC2 today. If you copy it to the row below, it automatically updates to use C3, then C4, and so on. If you notice a decimal like 2.5, that means the due date includes a time. You can format the result to 0 decimal places to show whole days remaining. Give the result column a header, like days left, so anyone scanning the sheet knows what it means. That's all there is to it. Click your due date, subtract today, and stay on top of every deadline with a clear, constantly updating day count. Never miss a deadline again. Hit that follow button for more Google Sheets basics.